Today I'm going to show you how I varnish paintings and what it does to them after they're finished with the varnishing. So here I've got one that I did almost 3 years ago. But at any rate, I've been meaning to varnish this for some time. And I know that when I do, it's going to look much better. It'll be much more uniform. If you look closely, I hope the camera can pick this up. There's a variation in glare because of the different kinds of paints that I used when I did this actual piece. So it's shiny here, very dull and very flat here, and I'm just tilting it deliberately to try and see if we can catch the glare. Shiny here, dull here. So at any rate, what the varnish will do is it'll even that out and make it look much nicer. It'll also protect the painting for years and years to come. The particular brand I use is this. It's a Winsor & Newton. As you can see, it says oil color. It's a Damar varnish, but I do like the high gloss, and so that's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to actually do 3 paintings in this video. I'm going to do all 3 of them in hyperlapse once I finish this little introduction. And I'm going to do each of them with just a little bit at a time and do 2 coats for each of them. This does dry rather quickly, so as you can see, this is all I'm going to start with. I'm going to take a nice, clean brush, one that's never been used, and just start at the top, like so. Make sure I fill in every little nook and cranny. You'll notice I'm keeping this plate here tilted so that the varnish will pool at the bottoms. Because I have painted the sides on this particular one, I'm doing those first to make sure that I get them. The way I'll clean my brush when I'm finished is with mineral spirits, just like I clean everything else. This is an oil-based product. Now, if you've ever varnished furniture or any other wood product, you know that you're supposed to sand in between coats. You do not do that with painting varnish. You just simply let it dry and then put on the next coat, which of course is entirely optional. This will drip if you're not careful. As you can see, I'm just about finished with how much I put on this initial application. And so very carefully, I pull it up, and as you can see, it's still flat right here. So I've varnished all of this. I still need to get this area right here, so I'm going to put in a little bit more onto my plate, and then I'll finish this one up. And just brush it out. And this is one of those instances where it really helps for me to have a spotlight the way I do, or the work light, because it allows me to see where I have not yet covered. Much easier. All right, and once it's finished being applied, leave it. Because once it starts getting tacky, you're going to end up pulling on it as it's trying to set, and you'll end up ruining it. All right, so there's one down. I'm going to go ahead and do the other 2 times. I hope you enjoy.